Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones SONY XM6. And firstly we need to turn off these headphones. At the bottom of the left ear cup we have power button. We need to press and hold it firstly. Here we go, we just turn off it, and then we need to press and hold at the same time power button and ambient sound control button near to the power button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light flashed blue 4 times. So let's press and hold. Here we go. Now we can release the finger, and firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone and then add it. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth. Right here click the information icon near to your headphones at the device list. Then forget this device and forget device. After that we need to turn on these headphones. So press and hold power button. Here we go. And now we don't need to enter prank mode, because after a factory reset these headphones enter to prank mode automatically, and now we can see that the device clicks. Then tap on it, and if you have Android, click pair after that. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!